Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, I hope I got past my coughing issues. Yeah. It feels better today. Good, so I think we should review a little bit here, perhaps. Review some things, even though I don't really want to. What is this here? This is this is design. Okay. Design minor GUI. Okay, let's see. Blocking layer. Okay, so this change is still not ready because it has side effects. So yeah, so I would just leave it here for now. Okay, what is this one here? Okay, so this one is set to draft. Why does it say Control Bar Pro version? Control Bar Pro doesn't have changed lobby. Yeah, the scrolling bug is probably in the executable. Yeah, so it's marked here as executable. Yeah. Oof. That's quite some menu. Player name, user, clear, main menu, create game, join game, direct connect. What is this here? You type a game name here, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that's edit. That's the original. Here's the chat. Wait, where's the chat here? Here? Huh? 1, 2, 3 lists. 3 lists. 1, 2, 3. Players, games, game info. Players, game info, games. Players, games, game info. And where's the chat? Where's the chat? Chat is gone, huh? Players, games, game info. Yeah, this makes sense. So first show the players and then the games. Yeah. Ah, this is the chat. The chat box. Yeah. Let's see. Mm-hmm. It looks quite cramped. Right. Yeah, it's hard to say what the best design is for this screen. Yeah, hard to say. To me, it looks a bit wild here because, like the header, for example, is wild. You have here this title, and then in the same row you have players, games, game info, which is unusual, I would say. Let's take a look at the original. Here, as you can see in the original, the title has its own row. Nothing else shares it. But the original is also ugly, right? And here you have player name, then this field clear, players, games, game info with 3 small lists, which don't even have, well, they may have, well, this one looks smaller than this one. Then you have here this huge chat box. And then you have this chat line. Then you have this enter button, which is totally misaligned. And then 4 buttons here at the bottom. I mean, this looks crappy too, but we got used to it, right? Yeah. It looks like here they removed the enter button for some reason. This is also a waste of space here. Could have made this list larger. This is misplaced. Yeah. This one is also misaligned here. Here, player is missing an R. Yeah, I don't like this either. It looks weird. Also, the way it draws over the background looks strange. See that here? Like it doesn't draw within the common border. It looks like there's like another black behind the whole screen so that it can draw over whatever is behind. So the background is darker than typically. So basically they just rescaled this blackness here to cover the whole screen, essentially. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I would say it looks quite cramped, but I currently have no better ideas. The buttons and yeah, the buttons and list boxes seem very close to the border. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. It's like a design, UI design. It's challenging. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we add some labels at least. So this is GUI. Huh? Oh. GUI design minor. By the way, Control Bar Pro does not have a custom network lobby. The original. He's probably referring to like a forked version, not the original. The original doesn't have this network room changed. So this must be some other version, not the original one. Yeah. Good. So added some labels, that's good. Okay, what about this one here? Okay, let's review this. Add missing text lines. This one looks odd here. Arabic text is right to left. So it seems odd that this starts with a dot. But maybe I'm mistaken. Let's take a look at some other sentences. Oh, no, I didn't want to start that. Okay, let's look at some Arabic text. Just scroll somewhere. Here, see that the dot is at the end here on the side and not at the other side. Yeah, I wouldn't touch Arabic because this needs to be written by someone who's Arabic, like who can write from right to left. For me, at least for me, it's like impossible to edit this Arabic text. Like my machine cannot even handle it. Like, see, I can't even when I press the left arrow key, it goes to the right side. Like, what the hell is this? I can't even navigate this properly. Like, it's total madness. Like, you need to like swap the direction in your head. Like, left is right and right is left in Arabic. I don't understand. Like everything is inverted. The whole world is upside down. I don't know how this works. Like, it's madness. Yeah. Anyway, so I think that if there is a dot, then it should be on this side, on the right side, yeah, on the left side. All right, so I can say here, yeah, Arabic text is right to left. So it seems odd that this starts. So it seems odd that sentences start with a dot. Yeah. Here's the same. Several times in this change. Okay. Let's first go over all the changes that we have commented so far. Okay. Let's resolve this. Inconsistent wording with GUI body add. Friend request was rejected. Friend request was accepted. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so this one says buddy. Where's this? Okay, the search fails. Good question. What does he need to do here? Why did I comment 20? I don't know. Battle honor streak. Five. Hmm. 20. So what I do see here is that there is 3, 10, 25, 100, 500, 1000, but there's no 20 here in this list. I do not recall. I have no idea why I did this comment. Let's just close it then. I do not recall. So, but my question is here, is this tool tip actually used in the game? If yes, then the number lists in the number list for would need updating. Okay, didn't answer this question. Okay, here, what happened here? I don't know what happened here, but the line break is fine now, so I will mark it as resolved. Okay, what about this one here? French. Accepted, rejected. So this says accepté and this says rejeté. Rejeté. Inconsistent. Okay, so what it reads consistent now, so that's good. So can mark it as resolved. Inconsistent wording. La richiesta di amicizia è stata accettata. Something like that. È stata rifiutata. I don't know. Okay, this looks good to me. Inconsistent wording. Prosba o dodania do znajomych zostala, I don't know, zaakceptowana and yeah, looks good to me. Yeah, this is very hard to say, I would say. Okay, that's good. I don't think that I don't think this description is correct. It doesn't seem right. Let's look at this thing here. This one, disabled. Here. It should be more like this. Yeah. It's probably should be closer to that. But I suspect it is not even used. But I suspect it is unused, and therefore we do not need a text. But I do not know. it would be referenced in one of the WND files of the RG mechanics version. Okay. Okay. Looks like I will be busy with the reviews for a while. Okay, what is going on here? He really likes to use regex, doesn't he? Jesus Christ. The problem with regex is that no one can understand it. Except you study this regex. I have no idea how regex works. Like this is black box to me. 100%. Well, you can probably type it into the AI and the AI will tell you what it means, I guess. Yeah. I don't know why it's UTF-8 here. UTF-8 seems unlikely. Perhaps just use ASCII. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I don't want to understand all this. Why is there PSD? Okay, let me see. PSD. Yeah. I'm a bit surprised that it's just so few. It should be much, much more. What is this Khan D? That's weird. Yeah, I'm surprised that it's just how much? 220 lines of missing textures in the models. I would have expected 1,000 plus. Yeah. Okay, but this is just missing ones without DDS. Without DDS or TGA. This file name is weird. Without DDS or TGA. Maybe perhaps name this missing textures. Missing textures. in W in I don't know where from. Missing textures. And also indicate what this belongs to. Wait, let's see. This one is check TGA and CSV. Oh boy. Check TGA and CSV. Huh? Here. Okay. This. Oh boy. Okay, let's first get it without the div, because the div is super confusing. Okay, let's put it to unified. Good. Good. So get all the texture files listed in a CSV and optionally from a folder. I suggest rename this to get textures, get textures from CSV. I think that would be much clearer. And then create another function. Get textures from folder. Or get textures from folder. And then merge the results high up. That makes the code cleaner. This is a confusing name because TGA are textures. So this TGA files, what is it? Check TGA and CSV. TGA files. Get TGA and textures. My gosh. Set of unique textures. Set of unique TGA textures. Hä? What? Why is this? Why are these two lists or sets? Why are TGAs treated separately from textures? That's I don't understand. Why are textures and TGAs treated separately? Aren't they? Can't we just use one textures for all? Yeah, so I understand what's going on here, but the naming I think can be improved. Like texture and file, textures, TGA files. Like it's really confusing, the names and everything. Get TGA and textures. Also, it's weird that this one function returns 4 results. That's wild. That's wild. Texture and file. Textures, TGA files, duplicate textures. Jesus. This is quite complicated. Perhaps return a class instead of this tuple. And this one with right to file. Okay. Yeah, I think it can be made a little bit easier here, the code. But okay, if it gets the results, then that's good. Multiplayer. Multiplayer. Yeah. Missing TGA files. Where these are missing from. think you can call it missing map textures. Perhaps name this missing mapped textures. Or let's say better missing map textures. Get map textures info. Get mapped textures info. Perhaps rename to find texture errors .py. Okay, I think that's good enough. Comment, submit. Okay, good. What else do we have here? So we have Baptista with some fixes here. He fixed some compiling errors. How about we look at that? For unassemblies, let's see. Fetch and prune. So here, fix builds. Let's see. Builds. Okay, let's see. So he removed this because it didn't compile, which is fair. I was actually surprised that this compiled here on MSVC. Okay, why did he add it int here? I don't know. Let's remove it. Well, then how about we do it differently? We just put a static assert. Static assert. Static cast int is match equals expects same value. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ, that formatting. Well, then let's use ccast, makes it shorter. Oh boy. There we go. We add a space here. How about we make this an integer as well? Oh, no, because we use size t here. Let's keep size t here as well. No. All right, let's see, what else do we have? Okay, this looks fair. Yeah. I'm not sure about this imgui config thing. That looks weird. Imgui config. So he created a header file that just contains this define, and then he put it into various places. Why? What is that for? Okay, that's fair. Please define before including imgui.h. Okay. Let's say imgui.h. Where was it before then? Where was it defined previously? Here in imguimisk.h. imguimisk.h. Oh boy. Okay, I remember he also added this imconfig file. Imconfig. And now he added an imgui underscore config. And I wonder if this one is actually used. imconfig.h. imconfig.h. It's referenced here. GLFW. Ah, he does include it here. Boah. Question is why? Why is this used? Why is this? Why is this included there? Ah, hold on. That's not the imconfig. I see. Okay, how about here we include, hold on. So it's imgui.h. Okay, so we want to include this one. Then we remove this. to if and def this, then define and if. Actually, that's not necessary because we have a pragma once here. Oh, I don't like this. Where does he have this compiler? How about that? Internal. Please define before including imgui. Ugh. Imgui internal. Imgui internal. So, but it was here defined before imgui internal. So what's the problem? I don't understand. Why is this complaining? Please define before including imgui.h. Let's search for this. Oh boy. There we go. I don't understand what the problem here is. This makes no sense here. Makes no sense. I don't know. I don't know. So to me, it's a bit wild that we have two im-config files. That's not the way it should be. Two times im-config. That doesn't make any sense. Just confuses, right? So one of these needs to go. One of these config files. Or both. How about glfw? Hold on. I think this one is maybe not even used at all. It's not included in here. Im config.h. It seems it's not used, so how about we just remove it? See what happens. Ingredient. I have no idea what the hell this thing is here. Let's remove it. Okay, this one here, imguiconfig.h. Ugh. So why is it complaining about this? This looks perfectly fine. Unless, of course... Define mass separator. Config. Okay, how about... So... imgu.h. Okay, how about we just call it imgui core. Imgui core.h. Then we search for imgui config.h. We rename it to imgui core.h. For some reason it didn't find it. Oh, not my problem. Then we search for imgui.h. Then here we put in include imgui core.h. Then we remove this. Include imgui core. And imgui core.h. There we go. Okay, somehow there seems to be seems to be a problem. Imgui client, imgui core. Imgui core. Core.h. Okay, could it be that it doesn't find it because we have to put the path here as well? Imgui client. Could that be? No, it does find it now. Okay, it was just stupid for a moment. Okay, let's see if that compiles. No, it does not. Okay, MGUI core is not found. Because we need to change the path to this. There we go. Let's put a space here. Okay, this one still uses imgui config. glfw. Okay, looks like we cannot open it here because Visual Studio is retarded. Then let's do it here. MGUI core. I think we need to move it up here to the top. Man. Okay. Let's take that. That. Okay. Change it, add, replace imgui config.h with imgui core.h. Done. Next. Let's remove this file. Remove unused imconfig.h. Done. Next. Add static asserts for is a match value x values. And while we're at it, how about we also go to imgui scoped and we remove the Clang format off and enable the formatting. Well, let's see how that will look. Probably will look like trash. No? Looks okay. Yeah, seems to be okay. Enable Clang format in imgui scope.h. Okay, let's push it. Okay, let's ask him. Nice. Can you check if this compiles for you after the changes I made? Okay, let's take a look here at his thingy. Full screen. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what's the time? 1 hour 27 just. Huh. Okay. So if this change compiles for him, then looks good to me. Okay, let's look at this one here again. Where textures and TGAs treated separately. Textures and TGA treated separately because the ini files contain references to both the texture name, power bar green, and the actual TGA file. Oh. Aha. Aha. Okay. I suggest rename texture to mapped image name and TGA file to texture, or just mapped image to texture. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. Enable docking. Change is relatively small. I can also use static cast here. Static cast. I think that would be better than using okay, so we first need to merge the compile error fixes, and then we can do this here. Okay. So I will leave this here for now. Yeah. Okay, how about we go to ASM matcher types, and then we do here static cast. Include type traits. Then we do std underlying type t. This. This is match. Yeah, we do yeah. It's quite a bit long, isn't it? Can we maybe shorten it? Maybe we can go to util. can remove this again. Okay. Change. Did it compile? Yeah. Change. Simplify. Done. Okay, he says this compiles, then I will merge it now. Okay, I will push this. Good. And then we go here, refresh. Okay, then we can approve this one. Approve. And this is fix compiler errors. Fix Apple. I don't know. Fix compiler errors. Fix some. Okay, confirm squash and merge. Delete branch. All right. Okay, then we say merged. Can you update the docking branch? Okay. So here we have a lot of spam. Good. Yeah, then I would say next we look at this guy. and then we will maybe look at this one here. Yeah. Okay. Anything else you would like to do? Yeah, we still need to look at a bunch of localization fixes from DM Green. He has a lot open. Yeah, so that will keep us busy as well for a while. Okay. Then for now, I would say take a break. Yeah. Take a break and then take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah. Good. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.